Hey guys, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder of a growing solution called Torpedopot. You're looking at about, 50, 60, 70 watermelon plants that are growing in a Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. See that knob there? All you do is turn the knob. You never water, you never feed your plants, and you end up with the most beautiful food you've ever seen before in your life. Absolutely stunning. And so, yeah, it's watermelon grown with eggplants. In Torpedopot, you can grow multiple plants in one location. I can have eggplants going with tomatoes. I can have, as we have here, oh, look at that, it's like gorgeous, guys, isn't that beautiful? You have watermelon. Yes, watermelon growing with so many other different types of plant species. That is absolutely stunning, and that's beautiful. That's Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. The goal is to feed you continually. Okay? Wow, look at that one. It's beautiful. Which means that you will never run out of food. See, when you turn that knob, you see the type of nature that you bring back? You're bringing this back. And the species, they love it. This is what they want. This is what they're looking for. And it's so amazing. But it's beautiful. It's called Torpedopot, self-growing planters. And that's why we're able to grow 70 watermelons in 20 feet. We have sugar babies, and we have some, I think, medium-sized melons that are inside of here. Crimson, yeah, we got crimson inside. And they look beautiful. I love them. Watermelons are very heavy feeders, so we normally recommend with all of our plants, supplement only once a week. Minimum of once a week. You should not have to supplement any more than that. But isn't that gorgeous? So you never water, you never feed these plants, but they grow for you. They're called Torpedopots. They grow your food for you with no human intervention. You never ever have to grow your food again. And they do it so beautifully. I can't wait to start, the melons start to develop on top of them. Now these are 16-inch planters that you see right here. This one is growing with a tomato plant. Isn't that amazing? A tomato plant growing with watermelon. And this one's growing with an eggplant, right? Look at that funny. Eggplant growing with watermelon. It's beautiful. Man, isn't that gorgeous? Look at those leaves. Man. I see some animals who are hungry by eating off of them. But when I look at the top leaves, well, the vine is literally stunning. It's stunning. It's stunning. That means that this plant is growing. It's developing. It's doing what you want it to do. Flowering. It's about to start. It's taking off. It's in a divine environment where it just grows and grows and grows. A tomato plant is growing in the watermelon planter. Let's count these tomatoes. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Maybe, I don't know, maybe get 30 tomatoes for that one plant. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing. That's Torpedopot, dude. The world's first self-growing planter that requires no involvement from humans at all. All we do is supplement once a week. But the plant grows by itself. That's why human involvement is not really necessary. Plants grow by themselves. What we do is that we create an environment, an optimal environment that will allow my plants to achieve goals that they have never achieved before. That's what Torpedopot does. It creates what we call a sustainable biotic environment. What that biotic environment does, it sustains the plant. See, we don't feed the plant. That's why Torpedopot can grow any and everything. What we do is remediate the soil. We use the carbon in the air to remediate the soil. And in the process, you can eat a lot of food. Torpedopot is the world's greatest carbon sequestration project in the history of the world. It's going to clean everything up. And yet, at the same time, it's going to empower us with food that we've never had before. Innovation. Yeah, it still works. It's still out there. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters that grow your food for you. All of these watermelons were grown from seeds. All I did was take my seeds and put them in a planter. And they grew into beautiful, beautiful plants. And man, that is absolutely stunning. That's beautiful. And they're all showing the same positive signs of growth. It's really amazing. It's called Torpedopot, the world's first self-growing planter that literally grows your food for you. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. The varieties, eggplants and watermelons and tomatoes, all of these plants can be put inside of your planter. And look at the health of this. Isn't that beautiful? That health is amazing. Unparalleled. Unparalleled. Absolutely unparalleled. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, talk to you guys later. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com.